Well, hello and welcome to the Cricket Next YouTube channel. मेरा नाम है कन्नड़ बाली and मेरे साथ जुड़े हैं साहिल मल्होत्रा and we are going to talk about what Jasprit Bumrah recently said about Hardik Pandya and the tough phase that he went through. साहिल कुछ महीना पहले आईपीएल के दौरान सबने देखा, पूरे देश ने देखा जिस तरीके से होम क्राउड हार्दिक पांड्या को रिसीव कर रहा था। जो कुछ भी हुआ हार्दिक पांड्या के साथ ऑन द फील्ड, मुंबई इंडियंस के ही पार्ट है जसप्रीत बुमराह, उन्होंने बहुत क्लोज क्वार्टर से देखा। और एक रीसेंट इंटरव्यू में जब उनसे उस बारे में पूछा गया, उन्होंने बड़ा दिल खोल के बात रखी। उन्होंने पूरा बताया, एज अ प्लेयर उन्होंने बताया कि हाउ इट्स पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ द गेम, जिस तरीके से फैंस रिएक्ट करते हैं, बट हाउ द टीम ऑल्सो स्टूड विद हिम। वी डोंट लीव अ मैन बिहाइंड, ये लाइन जसप्रीत बुमराह ने बोली। सो हाउ डू यू सी this entire conversation that Bumrah had about Hardik Pandya and the tough phase he went through?
No, I think Bumrah probably, I wouldn't say the best seat in the house, but he was closest to what was happening to
Yeah.
Hardik Pandya during the entire IPL, starting from the first game to the end. There was so much unwanted drama, which was like kind of put on display by the spectators. The continuous abuses
Yeah.
hurled towards him, the racist remarks, all those things. They really went below the belt, and the booing never stopped. There were moments when even the people who were conducting tosses had to ask crowd to behave because it was going so much out of control. We saw Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli asking the crowd to probably just shut up and let the player focus on his cricket. But Bumrah, as a team player, as an Indian teammate of Hardik, probably felt that it's we are playing this sport in a country which is very very emotional, and that's what he said. And it affects you, right? It affects you as an Indian cricketer.
Yeah.
People are shouting, screaming the name against you, and it's not something, as Bumrah said, which they encourage as a unit or as an individual. But these are things which aren't in their control. But he felt that Hardik needed support at that time, and the teammates were always there. His family was always there. So this is probably the first time you're hearing a Mumbai Indians player speak at length about him. I think the coaching staff, if I'm not wrong, Kyron Pollard did
Hmm.
address this issue during one of his press conferences after one of MI's IPL game. But this is
Yeah.
probably the first instance we are seeing Jasprit Bumrah, world's best bowler right now. MI is fine, has been playing for them for what, close to a decade now. So
Yeah.
him coming out and speaking and showing empathy towards Hardik was definitely a good gesture by Bumrah, and speaks volumes of the character which Bumrah himself is.
Yeah, absolutely. And Samuel, I was present there at the Wankhede for all the MI games this season, and I saw from very close quarters how hostile that environment was for Hardik Pandya,
Yeah.
someone who is playing his home game. Do you think that sort of pushed him to do what he did in the World Cup, Hardik Pandya? Because Bumrah ने भी यही कहा है कि it's all about a tournament or rather few games. If you do well, सब भूल जाते हैं and then the narrative changes. That's how fickle the nature is of the fans, that they tend to forget very quickly and then start backing a player. Do you think whatever happened with Hardik Pandya in those 2 months in the IPL really pushed him to do what he did in the World Cup for Team India?
I think Kanav, it's not just with Hardik. If you remember the period where Jasprit Bumrah was away from the game, so much happened to him on social media. People were like kind of terming him injury prone and all those things. Then he became world number one bowler after returning to cricket. And then there was an Instagram story which he had posted where he mentioned the support, the applause. So there was just one gentleman sitting in the stands where he labeled it as the support and then the applause. So this is what the cricketers have made peace with. They know that when going gets tough for them, there'll be very few people. I remember Asia Cup or World Cup, one of the press conference where everything was going right for Indian cricket team. We asked Rohit something, and Rohit was like, "I know how this system works. Right now, the team is doing well. Everyone is praising me, but one defeat and it will all change." And they're absolutely right. That's what happened after November 19th. And it's unfortunate, but we live in a very emotionally driven nation, which is very, very emotional and takes their cricket way too seriously, even for the players liking. Yes, the support in the stands and all these things are the incentive, but then there's a flip side too, and that flip side was seen um, when we saw that Hardik Pandya episode. And coming to that episode, Kanav, those 2 months, I think would have tested the finest and the strongest of the individuals, because the boost didn't just stop. Whether it's Delhi, whether it's Mumbai, whether it's Chennai, wherever he went, whatever language they spoke, whatever religion they belonged to, whatever god they worshipped, it didn't matter. What mattered was they saw Hardik Pandya and they just had to find out that line to abuse him. I don't know
Yeah,
why, because if you're a Chennai fan and if you're living in Chennai, you had no business booing Hardik Pandya.
yeah.
How is it? How is the Mumbai Indians shuffle leadership change affecting the health of Chennai fans? But it's just that the herd culture we are part of in India कि एक जगह से चिंगारी लगती है तो पूरे देश में आग लग जाती है. So that's what happened with Hardik. It was unfortunate, and I think the change in the time zone, the change in scenery in the US, in the West Indies, where he was far away from not far away from Indians because there were plenty of Indians in the stands, but far away from the hostility of the IPL, which was well past behind him, and he could like just press the reset button. He didn't have to focus on captaincy, batting, bowling, fielding. That's what he did, and came out with flying colors.
Yeah, absolutely. And Sahil, every cricketer goes through ups and downs in his career. That phase was probably the down period for Hardik Pandya. The World Cup came, he did what he did. It's a upward curve. Wo celebrations, Wankhede Marine Drive, Wankhede chanting Hardik's name. We all saw those visuals in that ceremony. And now he was supposed to be the T20 captain, but he is not. Do you think that will again push him down that spiral because it is a big blow? You were expecting to lead Team India. Surya Kumar Yadav को बना दिया जाता है. Personally, how do you think that might affect Hardik Pandya's career?
No, it could affect him. It could be a blow to him because he's a very ambitious cricketer. Yeah, he's a very ambitious professional, and he has like वो एकदम जमीन से उठ के आया है. Both the brothers, they've seen the tough part of their life. They're doing well in life. They're earning good money, but both of them are very ambitious. And Hardik in particular, right? He went to MI because he wanted to continue leading a side. That's why he went to MI. He led the side there. He was leading GT for 2 years. So yes, captaincy ambitions are obviously there for him, and it's kind of unfortunate that things didn't turn out in his favor, whether that's fitness, whether that's feedback from the dressing room. But the reality is he's not even the captain, he's not even the vice captain. He's like conveniently pushed away from the leadership group, and that change is likely to stay at least 12 to 18 months, and though that will be the period where another World Cup will be upon us, 2026 T20 World Cup. So obviously it will affect him, and starting tomorrow when he plays those three T20s against Sri Lanka, his role will be clearer to us, what he's going to do, whether he's going to be part of that finishing group and that third seamer or the fourth seamer. So he's a very vital cog in the setup, and now it kind of remains to be seen how India accommodate him going forward in their white ball fixtures.
Yeah, absolutely. There's a lot to see going forward. Sri Lanka की series शुरू हो रही है. Hardik Pandya will be there, but just as a player, not as a captain, was a vice captain. But the way Jasprit Bumrah showed up, this is what tells a lot about the Indian team. How the players gel together and how they support each other. And Jasprit Bumrah was his candid self when he talked about everything that Hardik went through and how Bumrah himself and the team supported Hardik, and that's something very nice to see. Well, thank you so much, Sahil, for connecting with us, and thank you so much all the viewers. Please do subscribe to the Cricket YouTube channel. ऐसे ही और आपके लिए डिस्कशन आती रहेंगी. आपको सिर्फ सब्सक्राइब करना है और बेल आइकन को हिट करना है ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए जब भी ऐसी कोई वीडियो या लाइव आए. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिए एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.